Exactly. I'm not gonna die. Woo! So much fun. Ooh. Woo! Yo, I'm so lucky, bro.
I'm going back in, guys. I'm just telling you it is true. Good. Don't worry, guys. I'm not working. And if you don't believe me, then you're gonna be sad when you see it done.
Woo! Hey! Yo! No, OG Mac! Why the heck is there a portal there? Hold on, I gotta... Premonition is easy. I level it! Oh, no heck no, I'm getting greeted with ads! I'm getting greeted with ads! Heck no!
He's the one!
Yo, the Yeti! He's here! We arrived at his house.
I don't believe in such things.
Yeah, we need to move, but we gotta go. Alright, my Buddha. What? Uh-oh.
I'm here! I'm
Yo,
here,
guys.
bro! Bro, I'm here!
I didn't bring
Bro, we need a
any
light.
equipment, bro.
I got
I
a
didn't
light,
How
I
did
got a
you
light,
get
I
the
got a light!
tape?
I got a light, I got a light!
Wait,
I
is
got a
there a
light.
tape for the cabin?
I got a light.
Bro, I didn't bring it.
What?
Thank God.
I don't have a light. I have a light, I have a light.
Oh my gosh! Oh,
No,
yeah,
where's
Freddy
the cabin
Fazbear!
at?
Freddy Fazbear!
The old
We're over here. Oh, what the heck is that? What the heck is that?
I'm scared of flashlights. I'm scared of flashlights. Come over to me. I'm scared of flashlights. I'm scared of flashlights. I'm scared of flashlights.
What the heck?
I didn't bring a flashlight, so protect me. Can you guys break me?
Riz?
No, bro. What's the
Riz?
Sure. It's on heat. I need your flashlight. Give me your flashlight.
Guys, where's the thing for the cabin
Right
at?
there. It's right there.
Yo, guys, there's more skinwalkers.
Flashlight. The room's over here. The room's over here. What is that?
Well, that's a forest monster? Well, they made a leave us on the forest. Come in. Come to corner. Uh-oh.
Behind him. Flash him. What's over here? Flashlight.
Where did he go?
Flashlight.
What the heck?
Wait, guys, where's the tape?
Dude, where did he go? I was getting the heck out of here. Get the heck out of here! Ah! Dude, get the heck out of here! I can't move! I can't move!
We all got to see right?
Yes, guys. We
No,
gotta
I
make
think
it
you leave, guys.
I might die.